At Sponsler Automotive, we are proud to serve the heart of Ohio with 5 convenient locations, bringing you the best in automotive sales, service, and more. Looking for your next vehicle? At Sponsler Automotive, we offer an extensive inventory of new Ford models at our Sponsler-Donley Ford locations, as well as new Chryslers, Jeeps, Dodges, and Rams at our new Sponsler Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram of Mount Vernon store. Want to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape? We've got that covered too! Our award-winning service and parts departments are here for you. Plus, with our new mobile service van, we'll come to you, whether you are at home, work, or on the go. Itching to personalize your ride? Visit our Revved-Up Motor Company for full customization and upfit services. And don't forget, protecting your investment is just as important. That's why we are partnered with a full-service insurance agency. At Sponsler Automotive, peace of mind comes standard. Get up to 5 years of coverage, plus a full year of paint, tire, and wheel protection, and even key replacement. Our commitment to customer care is more than just a plan, it's a promise. What truly drives us is you, our customers, our communities, and the people we serve every day. Sponsler Automotive, where trust, community, and exceptional service come together.